Fire escape engineers inspect the summary video. We're here in Lowell. This is a fire escape on Merrimack 2. Basically what we have here is a fire escape that was brought in and installed, but not industry standard. Fire escape does not pass the pre-evaluation load test examination, so we cannot load test this fire escape at this time. Must be structurally sound, must be kept painted. It has not been kept painted, so that's one of the minimums you need. Don't forget that this fire escape might have lead, so no welding, and it might need an EPA renovator to scrape and paint it. You get all the fold-out ladder, which is not the code. Again, it's only about 12 inches wide. Usually they're supposed to be about 18. The city official, the authority having jurisdiction, will determine whether or not he wants that to remain on and grandfathered in, and he has both of them here that have the same issue. So the same issue, it needs a full paint job. The fire escape is lag screwed back into the building, so you got lag screws there. Looking underneath, you can see lag screws there. It's not through bolted. And then when you get to the other side, same thing. Somebody lag screwed it in. Welded connections that need to be load tested, x-rayed, or if you re-bolted, there is no load test. Standard bars, standard grading. This fire escape has the same issue, okay? Lag screwed in, it's supposed to be through bolted. The ladder is pre-existing non-conforming. It's about 12 inches wide. It should be about 18. Lag screwed in, as you can see. There's the lag screws there. And that's not industry standard. It's supposed to be through bolted through the building. So fire escape does not pass structurally. Needs to have some issues, scrape and paint. And then the city official will then determine whether or not he wants these ladders to stay as pre-existing non-conforming. They need to be greased and then popped back up so that nobody breaks in, because right now they're in a down position. But they can be folded up so that they are closed so nobody breaks into the building. There's another fire escape here on the front that we're going to talk about and take some pictures also. And whether or not there's more fire escapes on the back will be determined. But basically right now we have a ladder that's on here, but there's no catwalk to pick up the roof. So whether or not these windows are being picked up or whether or not the third floors are concerned at this time is a point that needs to be discussed. But here's a ladder, but again, there's no room where this ladder is, so this is pre-existing non-conforming and in the wrong area, because I don't know how you would get squeezed through that area right there. So again, it's a folding ladder. The ladder needs to be greased. It's only 12 inches wide, should be at least 18 inches wide. And again, the city official will determine whether or not he wants a catwalk system picking up the front there and picking up the side piece there, if it's going to pick up a catwalk from that area there and then goes to the ladder. So that will be determined by the city official. Any questions, fire escape engineers? Inspect the summary video. They may need a drawing and a permit for this particular part. Whether a permit is needed for the maintenance and the paint job on the other side will be determined by the city official. Any questions, fire escape engineers? 866-649-0333. We also have this here that needs to be addressed, and also any staircases as to whether or not these are going to be considered fire escape systems as part of the inspection. So we have these here also, and there's another fire escape back here. So this will be determined with the city official, and there's another fire escape right there that we need to discuss whether or not that is incomplete to grade. As you can see, a fixed ladder with a platform that picks up that corner. So now we need to determine, but it must land on another catwalk system here, and then that catwalk system must put the people to the ground either with a full staircase or with a ladder, if the city official allows a continuation to grade with a ladder, fold-out ladder, or a staircase. Again, all this will be discussed with the city official of record. Any questions, fire escape engineers? 866-649-0333.